Hey everyone, for this video, I will show you how to remove an app on your Shopify store. First, log into your Shopify. Once in, on the left panel, you will see Apps. Click on it, then select App and Sales Channel Settings. In here, it will show you all the apps installed in your Shopify store. Now if you want to remove one, click on the three dots beside the app that you want to remove. Then there's an uninstall option. Click on that. You can select a reason for uninstalling that app. Just select one or more. You can also type in a feedback. Then just click on uninstall. And as you can see, you've successfully uninstalled that app. And it is now gone from the list of your apps in your Shopify. And that's it. That's how you uninstall an app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more.